What to do when she pulls away? Well, this concept is true for any relationship, whether you've been dating for a few months or married for decades. The concept of knowing what to do when your girlfriend or significant other pulls away is more about knowing what not to do in this situation. Think about a relationship with a significant other who you've dated for quite some time. Eventually, over time, you've seen their interest and communication drop or slow down completely. You wonder to yourself, why is this? After so many memories, physical experiences, or even having a family together, you wonder how their interest has possibly diminished. You need to understand, courting a significant other never stops. No matter if you have been dating someone for a few weeks, months, years, or decades, you need to constantly express your love and loyalty and interest in this person. Well, what does this mean? Let's break it down. When you first approach a girl and you start dating, you are very interested in proving you are a good guy. It is also important to understand the other person's point of view. For instance, once you start early stages of dating a girl, make sure you focus on your one main objective, showing her a great time when you're on the date. Your only objective is to show a girl a great, memorable time during your date. The rest will take care of itself. It is also very important to secure a physical connection. For many guys, this is difficult. Go for the kiss on the first date. Why is this? If a girl has little interest, you do not want to spend your time and money on this individual. You may go days or even weeks spending your time and money only to find out on your first attempt for physical affection that she does not see you in that way and says, let's just be friends. Again, you want to show her a great time. When this happens, girls will naturally assume their role in the relationship and bring up the topic of a relationship. As a man, you do not want to try and tie her down to a relationship title. Why is this? This scares the girl into thinking you are needy, clingy, you do not have many options, you're not a high value man, and you're trying to take away her freedom. Many high value, beautiful, and successful women will purposely pull away. What does this mean? She may intentionally or unintentionally start communicating with you less. This is driven sometimes by the male. When we over-pursue, we scare the girl away because we come across as needy and not a high-value male. A high-value male has many options with females. He does not need to put all his chips on one girl. This is the number one biggest mistake most men make. We find a girl we are very attracted to, and we know in our hearts, in our minds, what we want, and we want things now. The key is patience. A girl will pull away to test your patience. A high-value male with many of options and a male that is centered, that means focused and confident in themselves, will not over-pursue. I understand if you meet a girl that seems to be everything you've ever dreamed of, it is very tempting to over-pursue. You start to picture your life with this person, your family, what sex would be like. Understand, when your girl starts to pull away, or your wife for that matter, remember to give her the communication on her terms. What does that mean? If she takes 5 hours to respond to a text message, wait 4 to 5 hours and respond to her. This probably sounds like a game and may be frustrating to you. Understand, women's feelings fluctuate, and this may have nothing to do with you. You must know how to react to their feelings. If they pull away, they may be testing your strength. If you become unglued and you call her and text her and say, "Hi," then again, "Where have you been?" Then later that night, "Hi, hope you had a great night." This comes across extremely needy. She does not need you checking up on her. Do not have the fear, if you are dating, that she is with another man. Why? You cannot do anything about this. A female, especially one you're trying to attract, will do what she wants. Again, you cannot control a girl. If you try to control a girl, it is much like trying to control a cat. They will run away and avoid you if you pursue them. You must let women come to you. Another reason women pull away. Perhaps in the early stages of your dating relationship, you have said something that is indicated you want something out of the relationship sooner than she does. You might mention starting a relationship with her, or you might suggest, "Why not we make this official? Why not we put this on Facebook?" It is the woman's job to bring up exclusivity. Trust me when I say this. Follow her lead. It's your responsibility in the early stages of dating to ask the girl once a week, "Hey, when are you free to get a drink? We should hang out sometime." And set a firm date and time with plans. Women take longer to develop feelings. Avoid conversations about relationships. Avoid asking, "What are we?" ? Avoid asking her, "Are you seeing other men?" These are insecure behaviors. These lead her to believe you are trying to imply a serious tone to your new relationship. Again, women pull away to test your strength. If you meet a girl and let's say she is 1 out of 100, you have never met a girl like this in your life. Remember, the feelings you get for her will be strong and they will likely come quick. What you want to make sure you do to keep the girl of your dream is when she pulls away, understand and recognize when this happens. If she is giving space after weeks of amazing experiences, give her that space. Only contact her when she contacts you. Your job as a man, if multiple days have gone by with no contact from her, it is okay to reach out via phone call and ask her once a week for a date. Remember your role as a man. Show her a great time and let nature take its course. Things will work out. As long as she has an interest in you, it is your job to grow this interest through fun experiences on a date. In summary, be prepared for when your girlfriend or date starts to pull back, and understand the reasons she may be doing this is because her feelings naturally fluctuate. This also might happen because of things you have said. Remember, it's the women's responsibility to bring up exclusivity. Avoid conversations that tie her down. It is your job to show her a great time as a high-value male. You can do this. I believe in you as a high value person. Thank you again for following us and learning how to be exceptional.